If equipped, you'll find the heated front seat controls on the touchscreen. From the Controls menu, press Heated Seat to activate the system. Press the control once to choose high or twice to choose low. Press it a third time to turn the heater off. If high-level heating is selected, the system will automatically switch to low-level heating after a period of time and will eventually shut off automatically. If auto operation is turned on through the Uconnect settings, the heated seats will activate automatically when you turn on the engine. You can also choose to have your heated seats and steering wheel activate automatically with Remote Start. From Settings, scroll to Auto On Comfort. From here, select Auto On Driver, Heated Vented Seat and Steering Wheel with Vehicle Start. These features will stay on through the duration of Remote Start. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.